Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Cullivan, and today is day 3 of week 3 of our Staying Alive unit in reading. We have been reading and writing and learning about what does it take to survive. We've had 2 days of introduction to vocabulary words. So today we're not going to learn any new vocabulary words, but I'm going to see which vocabulary words you remember, and we'll use those words in a sentence. All right, let's go. Let's take a look at this first one. What do you think this is pictures of? Think about the vocabulary words we learned last week, yesterday and the day before. And what vocabulary word do you think this is? It's a lot of wild animals. They look kind of dangerous and ferocious. What do you think? Predators. That's right. Predators are animals that live by killing and eating other animals. A shark is a predator because it eats seals. A shark is a predator because it eats seals. Next one, take a look at this one. Kind of easy one, don't you think? What is this a picture of? Water. That's right. Water is the clear liquid that has no taste or smell. Clean water we need to survive. You should drink 6 glasses of water every day. Skip the juice, boys and girls. Skip the soda and drink water. It's better for you. Comes our next one. What do you think that's a picture of, boys and girls? Attack, right? To act violently against something, to try to hurt it or injure it or destroy it is attack. You should not attack other people. Next one. You remember this one? Features. Features are an interesting or important part or quality or ability of something. A feature that I have, boys and girls, is that I have blue eyes. My eyes are blue. What color are yours? What's your feature? Let's look at this one. What do you think this vocabulary word is, boys and girls? Prey. Prey is the animal that's hunted or killed by another animal for food. A worm is prey because the birds like to eat it. And how about this one? Recognize. When you know and remember something or someone because you've seen it before. I recognize that girl from my school. Maybe you're at the grocery store and you see somebody and you recognize them. You say, "Hey, Mom, that's a girl from my school." You recognized her. Here's the next one. What is this a picture of? Shelter. Shelter is a place to live and keep you safe. My house is my shelter. How about this one? Message. A piece of information that's sent or given to someone. Did you send me a text message? How about this one? Do you remember this one? Attract. To cause to like or be interested in something. The magnet attracts the paper clips to it. How about this one? Seem. To appear to be something or to do something. To have a quality or an appearance that suggests something. Does this hand seem to be a duck? I was wondering if you even noticed that yesterday, that seems like a duck, but it's really a person's hand that they've made look like a duck. How about this one? Yummy vocabulary word. Food. That's right. Food is the thing that people, animals, and plants need to survive. What is your favorite food? Mine? Pizza. Okay, so that's the end of our vocabulary lesson. And now a little bit of time talking about grammar. We've talked about is, are, was, were, and today we're going to talk about has, have, and had. These are important words. We want to use the correct word when you're speaking, boys and girls. The verbs has, have, and had tell about someone or something that they own or they possess. Okay, so like I have a car. You have a brother. We have a pencil. If you're talking about yourself, you use the word have. This one right here, boys and girls. I have a phone. I have a computer. I have 2 daughters. If you're talking about another person, one other person, then you're going to say has. And this is where it gets tricky, boys and girls. But if you're talking about he or she, you'll say has. He has a computer. She has a bicycle. You're going to use the word have when you're using we or you. So if you're talking to somebody and say, you have my marker, can I please have it back? We have to go to school today. They have a big brown house. Okay? Or if you're talking about plural nouns like dogs, dogs have 4 legs. Cats have whiskers. And then if you're going to talk about the past, that something's already happened, look down here, boys and girls, you're going to use the word had. So this is in the past, like I had a bird. I had a headache. I had a bellyache. It happened in the past. Okay? All right, let's read some of these sentences that we can see up here. Read with me. I have 2 pet fish. She has 1 pet fish. It has stripes. We have a new fish tank. You have pretty fish. Do they have teeth? Now, my video is covering these, so we're not going to read them, but if you want, pause the video. You can reread these sentences yourself before you go on. You could maybe guess what you think these sentences are going to say. Okay, and then just a little bit of practice using has, have, and had. So you're going to go log on to ClassKick, boys and girls, and find the grammar assignment, and you can fill in the sentences using these words right here, boys and girls. Has, have, or had. So I blank many friends. I has many friends. I have many friends, or I had many friends. Have is the best choice. I have many friends. Now, sometimes, boys and girls, you're not going to know the right one, but that's why it's important to be reading and writing and practicing using these words all the time. The more stories you read, the more sentences you try to write, the better you're going to get at choosing the correct words. And pretty soon you'll know which word it is because it will sound the right way. All right, do your best work, boys and girls. See you soon.